We began by writing stories about our early design attempts. We got a lot of feedback from readers making different suggestions. We had the idea of putting a camera onto a balloon and sending it up into space, and they suggested we attach it to a paper plane. It took Lester Haynes in Spain, the best part of 6 months, gluing together straws and bits of paper, and then finally painting the plane. He built the whole thing in his shed in Spain. It's about 3 foot wingspan. It's made of paper straws, which are glued together and then covered in paper. And it was based on the design of the D-Day landing gliders at the end of the Second World War. It was launched from about 1,900 metres up a mountain near Avila, which is just west of Madrid. We went over about a week before in order to test the parachute and all the other equipment and make sure we were ready to go. The plane is attached to a box, which is attached to a balloon, and the box contained all the cameras which took the pictures as the plane actually launched. We tracked it using an APRS radio antenna. It's basically a tiny little piece of equipment which sends out a sort of I am here signal every 30 seconds. Then you use a directional antenna to find out where the signal's coming from and find it like that. It flew for about 45 minutes. We found the main payload first, which had a GPS unit in and came down with a parachute. And then we managed to get some faint radio signals and we backtracked along the flight path until we got a loud enough signal that we could actually get a fix on the direction the plane was going. And then we just walked following a compass for about half an hour or so. We found it in the woods. We managed to miss a reservoir and a safari park with a large lion enclosure. So we were very lucky with where it landed and that it wasn't completely smashed up. It had one small hole in the left wing, and otherwise it was completely undamaged. I was amazed that we found either the plane or the main payload, to be honest. I thought we could get them into space, but to get them back again and to find them, that was a miracle. As far as I know, we flew the paper plane, the highest that a paper plane has ever been flown. Once we collected all the cameras, we had to take them back to base and recharge them, so we didn't see any pictures until quite late on in the evening. But when we saw the video clip of the plane and the pilot leaving the main payload and flying back towards Earth, that was an incredible moment.